Paní Sládková, kdybyste se neurazili, napijte se s námi.
Na zdraví.
Na zdraví.
One of my students has taken the time to translate one of his favorite movie scenes from Czech to English. And while we watch this woman have a drink with these gentlemen, I want to encourage you to use subtitles in the classroom as a means to engage your students in new and exciting ways of language learning.
Měla bych se vychladit.
Today, we're going to show you just how to use universal subtitles. Welcome to another Love, Language, and More tutorial with your hosts Jason and Vlad. Today we're at the Universal Subtitles homepage, where we're going to show you the easiest way to caption and translate any of your videos. Doesn't have to be just your videos either. It can be any video online from a major movie or from a favorite serial of yours. Now this is great for use in the classroom, as it can encourage your students to begin thinking in another language. Perhaps if you assign them the task of translating or captioning the dialogue in a movie. So today we're going to show you how to do that. First we need to sign in. You need to enter a username, an email address, and a password. Then you need to confirm your password. Please keep in mind that you can also log in using any one of your other social network accounts, Twitter, Facebook, those things. Now we want to go and subtitle a video. In order to do so, we need to find a video URL. So we're going to take this video here and paste it in our subtitle a video now. And this is how we begin to subtitle. At the bottom of the video screen, you want to select Subtitle Me. Now it's important to select which language you're going to be translating into. Now this video is in Czech, so we're going to subtitle it into English. Now Universal Subtitles has their own great tutorial on their website, which allows you to actually learn how to subtitle while being guided through the process. So we're going to go ahead and watch that video and show you how to subtitle with the help of their tutorial.
This video will show you how Universal Subtitles works. It's a three-step process, so I'll cover the first one here. To begin, press play. Your job is to type out the words you hear. Don't worry about typos or perfect accuracy. You can fix those during the review step. Type everything you hear and press enter to start a new line. Let me explain speed modes real quick. We'll pause automatically after 8 seconds so you can catch up. Just press play once you have caught up. Don't forget that the tab key is your keyboard shortcut for playing and pausing. When you get the hang of that, we recommend trying the second speed mode, auto pause. It's really awesome. If you're typing continuously, it will pause and wait for you to catch up. Once you're caught up, it will unpause again. Just continually type the words you hear and let auto pause start and stop the video for you. Once you've typed all the lines in the video, it's time to hit the done next step button.
Great. So now we're going to go ahead and take our first step with Universal Subtitles. Let's hit continue. Now you can see our video at the top, just like was shown in the tutorial. And we're going to begin subtitling by pressing the tab button to play our video. We'll stop the video and begin translating. And that's all for the first step in our video here. What we need to do next is let the video play out and then select Done. Let's take a moment to watch Universal Subtitles' second part tutorial.
This video covers the second step. It's a little bit like a video game. When I first hear someone speaking, I click this button, or I can use the down arrow on my keyboard, and I'm going to put the line I just created onto the video. Once I hear the second phrase, I'll tap the button again, and so on. So you're just watching the video, tapping through the subtitles. Don't worry about getting it perfect. You'll be able to adjust timing, fix spelling errors, and add blank space in the last step. The most important thing here is getting in a good rhythm. If you find that you really mess things up, there's always the restart this step button. But again, just try to get in a good rhythm and don't worry about being perfect.
Okay, so now we're looking for a good rhythm. Let's continue. Vlad's going to press the down arrow as soon as he hears someone speaking. And that's all. We have one more step to take a look at. And we'll go now to step 3.
Just one more step. Now that you've synced all the lines, it's time to watch the whole video straight through, correcting any problems that you see. If there's a spelling error or problem with the text, simply click on it to edit, make your fix, and then press Enter to finalize your change. The timeline allows you to adjust things very quickly. If you want to add blank space, just grab the edge of a text bubble and shrink it down. You can navigate the timeline by clicking and holding the number line. We recommend you watch the video one last time before you finish. Sit back and enjoy a job well done.
So now let's finish. I think we can edit our dialogue a little bit. We'll enter the woman's actual name. Cheers looks okay, wow looks okay, good is fine. I'm not sure about this translation, but you can take out the D. Good. And gentleman, not man. Great. So now we've made some edits to our subtitles. We're going to go ahead and hit tab to play through it. We can move the subtitles along, add white space like we just did there. Editing along the timeline is really useful. You can see we're just going to go right through her moment of drinking and add some white space here because there's no reason to have cheers up there on the screen for so long. You can adjust the beginning of this too. Maybe we could change it to it should be refrigerated. And that's all. Now when you're done, you simply go down to the bottom box here. Done. Submit your work is what you want to select. You do want to check that these subtitles cover all the dialogue in the entire video and select OK. Your changes will be saved, and it'll take a minute just to render your subtitles with the video. And we can watch our video now. Great. Looks like it all works. Remember, you can share this video now on Facebook, on Twitter, and email. You can also embed the code on your own homepage if you'd like. And that's all there is to it, folks. Universal Subtitles is a great way to get your students engaged, translating videos from one language to another. Well, that's all. We certainly hope you enjoyed our Universal Subtitles tutorial today. And we encourage you to go back and re-watch the Universal Subtitles tutorial on their homepage. We do hope you can find new and exciting ways to incorporate subtitles in your classroom today.